Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's iVibes Crochet, and in today's video we are going to be working on a commission, and I think I'm gonna write the pattern for it as well. I don't know yet. This project requires some embroidering, and I am not an embroidery expert, so explaining it in a pattern is going to be hard, but we'll see. For now, I'm just going to work on making this commission. It's a Doodle Bob Beanie I'm excited about. I was supposed to have it done by the end of the year, but didn't get to it, so we're going to get to it now. And what I'll be using for this is acrylic yarn in white for the beanie itself, and I will be embroidering with black yarn. This is the Premier Yarn Value yarn. It is the one that comes in the 800-yard skein. I purchased these a while back. I'm also in the process of destashing. I have a lot of yarn, and my goal this year is to destash all of it, or as much as possible. I'm going to take a step back from the markets and just focus on making commissions and some projects for myself that I wanted to make and couldn't get to. And that includes some blankets, some cardigans, sweaters, you name it. That's going to be my focus this year. I still may do a market or two here and there, because I do still have a lot of plush yarn to make plushies. So that's going to be towards the end of the year though, like January till I want to say spring. Spring is usually when the markets are hot in Florida. So for right now, we're just going to work on this commission, this sponge doodle beanie, and this is not going to be a tutorial. It's just like a crochet with me, so stay tuned. This is oddly satisfying, by the way. I don't know, it's so cool. Okay, so I finished the second eye. I'm gonna add the eyelashes, do the mouth, the nose, and we're gonna start working on the ear flaps and then the edging, and then we're done. Then we're gonna pack her up and ship her out. So see you soon. Hey y'all, so the hat is finished. This is how it came out. Very proud. Tassels. Love how it came out. So cute. I'm getting ready to ship it to Houston. So I'm going to show you guys how I package it up. This one was easier to make. I think it's because it's the second time I'm doing this. So I'm going to start by rolling the lint roller over it just to get up any anything that might have gotten on there. The thing about yarn is that it does pick up a lot of lint and stuff, so you gotta be careful where you crochet, especially if you're selling your items, because you don't want to get anything on there that is not gonna be good. Okay. My packet stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna include some care instructions and a thank you card. Hope they like it. Just see if we can get it to fit in here. Almost forgot to put these in there. I'm gonna drop this in the mail tomorrow, but that's it. That is the process of making commissions and shipping them out, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.